Hi, author Tim Sanders once said, "Your network is your net worth." And if you think about it, LinkedIn is a great way of building your network. I'd like to invite you to join my upcoming Masterclasses session where I'm going to show you how to optimize your profile, build a great network, communicate with that network, and finally convert that connection from a cold audience into a potential lead. So click on the link around this video and register for 2 hours of great interactive training where I'm going to show you what I've learnt from over a decade of managing and consulting on using LinkedIn. Thanks so much for watching.